Most all bread machines are pretty much the same. Close the door. Now plug in your machine. Now, I select my loaf. First I hit select button. I like medium crust, and that's all you really need here. As far as the timer goes, you can use this to start in the morning and have fresh bread ready for you when you wake up. But for the basic settings, that's it. Hit start, and come back in 3 hours and 15 minutes, and you have a nice finished loaf of bread. One very important thing to note, place your bread machine far back away from the edge of the counter. I have had a bread machine vibrate itself off the counter and fall down and destroy itself one time.
And what you want to do is push this all the way to the back so that it doesn't walk its way off and fall. Alright, well, let it do its thing and we'll check back periodically. Alright, so we're going to do what we're not supposed to do and peek in right quick. You can see the dough ball, and it's kind of sticky and doughy, and that's kind of what you want.
When you fill up the reservoir with fresh, cold water, it immediately flows down and levels out within the appliance. The tubing runs past the heating element, which is responsible for both heating the plate the pot sits on and heating the water. When the coffee machine is turned on, it runs an electric current through the heating element. A sensor keeps the temperature of the element in check, switching it off and on to maintain an even temperature. The water in the heated tubing starts boiling, which forms air bubbles that rise up through the tubing. These bubbles are big enough and the tubing narrow enough that they force drops of water upward and out of the shower head, where the water is distributed over the coffee grounds. The water runs through the ground beans and picks up the coffee oil as it finds its way through to the bottom of the paper filter, out the basket, and into the pot, making you the proud owner of freshly brewed Joe.